Hello, everyone. Today we are going to study superlatives. A superlative is used to compare three or more nouns so that you can say which noun has the most of that adjective. A superlative adjective usually has the article the in front of it. The noun comes after the superlative adjective. Let's find out the rules for forming the superlative adjective. The most common type of the superlative adjective has est at the end. However, when the adjective ends with a vowel and a consonant, repeat the final consonant before adding the est. So for the word big, you get B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. When the adjective ends with y, like happy, change y into I and add est. So you have H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T, happiest. For adjectives with two or more syllables, such as beautiful, add most before the adjective to get most beautiful. Lastly, there are some superlative adjectives that are irregular. For example, the superlative for good is best, and bad becomes worst. Please make the use of comparatives and superlatives and practice them together. Let's review today's lesson.